Hello guys, yes, Bitcoin is on a free fall. Did you see what happened? Bitcoin just dropped more than 10% in 2 days, okay? So it is pretty crazy how Bitcoin can move so sharply down and then maybe in the next couple of weeks it moves so sharply up back again. Just when Trump announces a 25% tariffs this year, that he was going to impose 25% tariffs on Mexico and Canada and China, Bitcoin was trading at 105,000. Soon as Trump's do that, Bitcoin falls to 95,000, 94,000. So pretty much $10,000 drop in less than a few days, okay? After that, Trump sort of try to, Mexico could do somewhere like a friendly relationship with Trump, and then they postpone the tariffs for March, that is coming now. So 1 month without the tariffs. And then Bitcoin goes up again to 104,000, 105,000. So see how sharp movements can be in Bitcoin and how there are a lot of opportunities to be doing some of those types of trades. I don't know if you guys remember, I don't know how long have you been following us here as well, but we had a podcast with Gilson that was talking about the Bitcoin. I would lovely ask Dave to put down the description, the podcast, so you guys can go and watch. And he was correct. He was like 100% right. He told us on live on the Bitcoin, on the podcast, that the Bitcoin would hit 100,000 US dollars by the end of 2024, and that actually happened. Bitcoin hit it 100,000 by the end of 2024. So these are the types of content you're missing if you're not subscribed to the channel as well, following us every single day, because we do post videos every single day. So please subscribe to the channel, give us a thumbs up, and let's get to what I want to say. So we've seen Bitcoin dropping, as I say, more than 10% in less than 2 days, pretty much 2 days now. It's getting back to recovering. So right now we are trading at $88,670, around that mark. Of course, it's changing every second. But at the 2 days ago, we were trading at $96,730. So that's pretty much a $10,000 drop, because it dropped all the way down to $86,400. And then now had a little bit of a recovery of $2,000. So that accumulates 10% in pretty much 2 days. So that's pretty volatile. Now, what has been the reason, the actual reason why that happened? And does it change the fundamental view of the longer term perspective on Bitcoin? First of all, let me be very clear with everyone. I'm not a huge Bitcoin fan. I don't really know what can possibly happen with Bitcoin in the next couple months, or what is the actual Bitcoin, what's the theses, the papers and everything. I'm not too into that. I know the basics, I know the top of the iceberg, the point of the iceberg, but I don't know the very depth, all right? But if you guys want to know what can happen next with Bitcoin in the longer run, please put it down in the comments, because I will ring Gilson back and I will ask for him to come back here. So Gilson, stay ready, because most likely everyone wants to know what's going to happen with Bitcoin in 2025. Now, so Bitcoin has a few things that accumulated that drop. So we had a crackdown into an Ethereum wallet by the broker called Bybit, and someone hacked pretty much a lot of Ethereums. I'm not too sure how much. I think it was around $1 million to $1 billion, a few millions to $1 billion, and that just shows you that no one is safe into the Bitcoin, into the Ethereum sort of network, and that Bitcoin as well. So people were a little bit afraid of what can possibly happen as well with Bitcoin. The second point is that a lot of people that was buying Bitcoin 6 to 7 months ago, they are now liquidating those positions, and that of course accumulates sell sides much higher than the long sides. than the buy sides. So that makes the Bitcoin drops a little bit in value as well. And of course, the biggest one was the broader risk-off sentiment into the financial markets in a whole way of Trump saying that, yes, I will do the 25% tariffs into Mexico at the 3rd of March this year. So Trump is very firm on that, and he say that he will continue to, and he say that he doesn't see any problem on that. And this will continue to occasionate inflationary. And then the Fed won't have those cuts, and then people will continue to buy safe assets like Bitcoin, gold, etc. So this will continue to most likely make it the Bitcoin on a higher price above 100,000. Maybe in 2 weeks this price won't be at 88,000, 87,000 now anymore, and then it will goes up again. Same goes for gold, above 3,000 in a couple of weeks. So we have to keep watching those types of headlines, those types of tweets that Trump do. That is, those are moving the market. Okay, so tonight from 5 to 6 p.m. as usual, we're gonna be live taking some trades. So if you're not yet on the Telegram group, make sure to join me, because that's where I will send the link soon it hits 5 p.m. So go at the description of the video, click here into the Telegram group, and then join me. And at 5 p.m. Sydney time, I will be sending the link for everyone to join me tonight. So guys, I hope I could somewhat explain what is happening here for you. But if you still have some questions, please don't be shy, put your questions out in the comments, or come and ask those questions tonight for me. There will be 100% answering those if I have some time on the comments, or 110% answering those as soon as I see on the chat on the Zoom tonight. Thank you so much. Have a great week, have a great day, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.